I rejoined after my maternity, I wasn't sure whether I'll be able to tackle here with my little one.
Welcome to Employ Echoes, an initiative by the BDI cohort by Universal AI University that celebrates the voices, stories, and experiences of the incredible individuals who make this university a thriving community. In this series, we dive deep into the journeys of our employees, showcasing their dedication, passion, and unique contributions that shape the heart and soul of UAI. Employ Echoes was born out of a simple yet powerful idea to highlight the people behind the scenes and recognize their unwavering support and efforts in making Universal AI University a special place to learn, work, and grow. So join us on this journey as we bring you stories that resonate, voices that inspire, and echoes that remind us of the power of unity, passion, and purpose. This is Employ Echoes, where every voice matters. Namaste and hello, Universal AI University family. Welcome to Employ Echo. To kick off this exciting series, we have with us someone from the very heart of the university, Miss Mansi from the admin department. Let's dive into her journey, her experiences, and of course, some fun stories along the way. Thank you so much, Miss Mansi, for being here with us today. Let's start with a little introduction. Can you tell us about your role in the admin department and how long you've been with us in the AI Universal AI University?
So it's been almost 5 years now I'm there with Universal AI University, and I have handled multiple roles with Universal AI University and have multiple roles experiences also. So my current role I am taking care is I'm into students affair, where I take care of students well-being. Any issues with the students has to be tackled, or if they need any counseling, any requirement around the campus of the students has been taken care by me and my department. So we are a large department. Well-being is a large department where we have various people taking care of various different roles in the well-being department. From that, I majorly focus on students affairs and students well-being.
So it's all about us.
Yes, all about students. Yeah.
Right. Okay. So can you share some of the most memorable experiences in the university? That's something that made you, remind you of this platform basically.
Yes, I can share very latest experience itself. That is most memorable. When I rejoined after my maternity, I wasn't sure whether I'll be able to tackle here with my little one, but my entire staff members, my colleagues, they helped me to organize me well here in the campus so that I am more comfortable with my little one. Plus, you students also helped us out to whenever I needed an help where my little one has to be taken care of someone. Some of you students have come up front and told like we will take care of your little one. So that's the most memorable experience I have here. Okay. All thanks to students as well.
I wanted to ask that with so many things happening in the university, how do you stay organized and calm under pressure?
Good question. It is always a question to me as well. How do we stay calm when there is so many things happening around the campuses? But all thanks to my superiors, I would say they have counseled me to tackle you students in such a way that you students are calm at the time when you are aggressive or you are getting too much of pressure of studies or not able to tackle your deadlines. That situations we have faced in our day-to-day life. We have prioritized our work and then understood how to tackle things and stay organized around the campus in the organization.
Right. Okay, ma'am.
So all thanks to my superiors, I should say.
This is like a fun question, but if you had to describe the admin department based on a Bollywood movie, if you could tell us what movie would you choose?
I did a little research on this to understand which movie suits our department. Then, after so many research, I got a answer is Talash movie.
Okay.
I'll tell you why. Talash is a movie where that particular person was so focused and so organized in getting his work completed and always ready for next challenge. There is where we stand. We stand in that situation where if even if our work is completed, we are always ready for a next work or next challenges to take.
That's
So Talash is the best movie, I would say.
That's a whole different perspective
Yes.
for the movie. Okay, ma'am. Next question would be, what do you enjoy working with your team the most in the admin department?
Meetings.
Okay.
We enjoy our weekly meetings and monthly agendas that we talk about because that gives us a lot of focus on understanding what exactly are we going to do this entire month. So that is the point where I love to join a meeting and understand what is the requirement of our superiors.
Okay. So the last question for today would be, can you tell us one fun or surprising fact about you that your colleagues might not know?
I think my colleagues know everything about me because I've
Okay.
spent a lot of time over here.
Right.
But they might not know that I have been during my maternity period. I cheated on them and I ate a lot of sweets and other spicy stuff that they told me not to consume
Okay.
it. But I did it. That they might not know it. And apart from that, they don't know. What do they don't know? I think they know everything about me.
I think that tells a lot about the
Yeah.
culture over here. that
Yes,
we
yes.
are
They
like a
know.
family.
Most of them knows everything about everyone over here.
Right.
This is what I can say. There's nothing hidden among us, apart from if we are fighting on that particular day. That particular day stuffs we don't know. Otherwise, we know everything about everyone.
That's so
Yeah.
true. Thank you so much for sharing your journey, ma'am. It's truly inspiring how you're so passionate and about your role and share your journey with us. Can you give one last message to the viewers?
Yes, I can. Stay focused. Stay healthy. Stay happy.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. So that was Miss Mansi, a true rock star in the admin department. Her dedication and warmth are truly what makes Universal AI University a wonderful place to be. Thank you.